Hello, good afternoon everyone. Now we are here at Dado Calamada. So this is the mountain. There's a fresh vegetable on the mountain from that side.
Di ka mo pa niya.
Wow. This one is the market. Like a small town. Today, it's just a small town. Okay. Yes. It's too hot. I think it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Also like a grocery store here. This is the mountain. And that's one up there is like a signal. Ano ulamin natin, Day? We will find what we're gonna eat for tonight. Ano ulamin? Ha? Manok na naman, chicken. Ano ulamin natin? Ano inulam ng mga bata? Hotdog kain sila. Hotdog. Hindi kain hotdog. Ha? Ano meron dyan, kuya? Lahat manok? Lahat manok lang? Anong luto ng manok?
Fried.
Fried.
Ha?
Fried.
Prito natin? Gusto ko yung ano.
Pakpak?
Ayoko ng pitso.
Hindi pa. Alang kag ano. Arang dari o. Wings.
Ha?
Wings, may dagang wings. Wings.
Ito. We will buy this chicken. The chicken wings. And the Thai. This one. Kuya. Kuya, this one.
Ngapi lang sa kilo.
So, yes.
Bangga.
Sa kilo dam?
Ito pa.
118.
Ha?
118.
Okay. It's almost like $4.20 the kilo of a chicken. Yeah. Fried. Dai.
Yara mo ko dito.
Fried.
Fried? Damo ko.
Pero mas gusto ko yung ano, I like the chicken that just very simple. No need to put the fry.
Ano lang?
Yes.
Prito lang?
Yeah.
Maglakad ta dito oh. Kaya namin ang view dito sa dito.
Okay, we will go. Now we're going down. Ako madala payong. Lalagay ko muna ano ko sa likod. Aray!
Hindi na dito na lang kay anak ko lang.
Aray, bis ko.
Ano?
Maano pala, matalim. Yung ano, yung ito yung anong gamot. So I bought my medicine. This one is a big capsule of a lagundi. I don't know. Lagundi. So this, ay. So I'm very disappointed just because all my videos and photos, I don't know, by accident I deleted, but only save in Google account, not in my gallery. So it is okay. Saluyot na yun. Sarap.
Kaong kasanaaw?
Oo.
Damo dito oh.
Ah.
Kalye. Kay klaro kaya ditong bukid.
Ay, na, dito kami sa taas ha. Ito yung lumalakad kami sa taas oh. Yan, pababa. Baka maano pa ko, madamo pa. Kasi pababa ito kasi ayan kita nyo guys. Pababa itong kalsada. So dito kami sa may tuktok ng bundok. Pababa kami ngayon. Yung mga daming saging oh. Banana. Pero asa alam, totoo lang, takot ako sa aso eh. Pababa kami ngayon.
Dito ta karon na to. Dito sa pikas ka. Sa kalye namon sa pikas nga kalye.
Okay.
Wapo dito kay klaro kay bukid.
May pomelo oh, hindi pa hinog yan.
Mas naman.
Daming saging. Ay mga saging oh dito oh. Iba talaga pag sa probinsya, it's very different if you are in the province or like a countryside. You know, a fresh vegetable, you can see the spring onions, the gabi, I don't know what you call it in English, but they have a spring onions. And here we have a, I don't know what do you call this one. Also, this is the signal of a smart. The smart
Dito tayo
internet, a signal, I don't know. So we are here. Ayun, saging.
Oo.
Okay, this is the box of the banana that they deliver in Manila. See, now they put the banana here. This one is banana. Okay. Oh, this is how the way they put the banana at the back so that it's not going to be black. Okay. So the signal from up. Okay, so we are down already. This is the first time na magbakasyon from outside in Manila. Oh. Nang dapat na tindahan mo na yung sirado. Hindi lang gagawin mo. Now we are here. Malalakad tayo papunta doon. Ba't maraming doon? No. So this is the signal of the smart net. Lakad tayo. So naglalakad tayo.
Hulao.
Huh? Now it's the first day campaign of a councilor and chairman of every barangay. You know, barangay in the province of like here in Cotabato, they call barangay, small town. Gandang bahay lang dito. Oh, ang ganda ng bahay guys, oh. Sa Cotabato.
Wako ilang nga ulang kahapon.
Ano yan siya? Landscaping. Ano nilagay sa landscape?
Bulak. Para bulak ko.
Ay, sorry. I take a video. Oh, wow, it's a beautiful tree. May aso dyan? Kaninong bahay dito?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Wow, you see guys, the house is very clean. It's very beautiful and fresh. And also the plants, the flowers, different kind of flowers here. It's really, I love this kind of a house. This kind of the garden. Now we saw a roaster. Ah. Merong manok. Chicken. Maglalakad kami pa uwi na. Kami back home. So, okay. So, guys, you know, the world is getting worse. And every country and every nation still have a war. You know, you can see. Bahay ni Manang. This one. Saan bahay niya? Hello, Manang. Hello. Tayo mga bagong bahay dito. May mga bulaklak. Tanim mo to, te? Tanim mo? Ah, it's different kind.
Boss na ako magtaklad mo sa yuti.
Different color of these flowers, bougainvillea they call. This one is bougainvillea. And there's a small. But did you know guys, this one is a clean water from the mountain, the one that we went there for Adaday Falls. So it's very different, the place here in the city compare here in the province. And this one, ano na yung Manang, oh?
Mangustin.
Ah, mangustin. Okay. Walang bunga. And this tree was a mangustin. So, okay. So, ito bahay mo? Ay, dumating na siya?
Karon mga 1 PM.
Sa
Mainland.
hapon. Nandun na siya ngayon. Kasi 1 o'clock na eh. So, this one, ate, her husband was in Qatar. He was in Qatar and there's something, there's a problem there, so that's why he go back home. But we will try to help him to send him to go back abroad again. So this is a place here in Dado Calamada. Wow. It's a really beautiful place. Sarap dito na.
Magdala ka sa yuti, ma'am.
Oo, magdala ko sa yuti. Magbarko kasi. So, we plan to bring some fruits and vegetable Saturday. We'll do to pack already. So, Sunday we will go. I will take a ship. This one is the first time that I will take a ship. From Cagayan to Manila. I think it's only 1 day travel from the sea. May tuluyan naman dito. Yung mga your native chicken, yung mga aso.
Uy, lagaw-lagaw, hindi magsakay kay kung magsakay kay hindi mo mga ano ang mga balay-balay. Kapon man magpundo-pundo. Gani. Oh, sige.
And this one, this kind of a I don't know what we call tree. This one is included for ano to include dito?
So din,
Ang balanghoy. This one, when I eat this one, the leaves of this one, yung talbos niya, parang niluto nung pamangkin ko, my nephew cook this leaves of this one, and then he put the coconut milk and the fat of the pork. My goodness, my blood pressure high. But actually, I'm only normal. Pero tumaas yung dugo ko. And this one is aswate. You see? To make it like a food coloring. And the flowers, hello. And the papaya from up. You can see it still have already ripe papaya. The first one, and also you see the coconut is full of fruits of the coconut from up. Wow. Ay, rambutan. Ay, so rambutan. Di ba rambutan yan? Daming hinog.
native man.
Ay, hindi siya man. Maasin. Hello. Di pa dyan mag... I take a small vlog, a short video. Flowers. Wow. Bulaklak. Wow. Beautiful flowers. sky. From the mountain sides from up there, we went that side. And sila the more highest mountain from behind, sila we call Daday Falls. So we went there. At behind of that mountain, you can see the one my finger. Hello, nagdidibi. This one is sugar cane. Sugar cane. See the flowers. Yung garden nila, guys, you see. Ang ganda ng bulaklak, a beautiful flowers. You see, guys, very beautiful in front of their house. So they have a flowers. See, kita mo iba-ibang kulay. Yan. Iba-ibang kulay. You see, still have pink, still have like a yellow, still have red. Wow. And also inside, daming bulaklak sa loob. And they have also vegetables. And the mountains from up there. Thank you, everyone. We are here. Bye-bye. I love you.